Hi guys, I always want to have another Android tablet to replace my old Mi Pad 4. Here you are, Lenovo Tab P11. Well, it's actually a ThinkPad 11 with global firmware. So it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. Cheaper than the official one too. Isn't that great? Outstanding screen with vivid colors and super bright. Crystal clear with 11-inch 2K 2000x1200 pixel LCD touchscreen, 400 nits brightness and NTSC 70% colors. Do a great job indeed. You will love it too. Don't forget the quad speakers that optimize with Dolby Atmos. Yes, they can go really loud, crisp and clear for tablet speakers. Come with a lot of sensors including gyroscope, vibrator that great for gaming.
Welcome to Oblivion.
We need Whisper's help. We wouldn't try this again. Woo! Where am I? Let me help you first.
Lastly, P11 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core. Adreno 610 GPU is not the best out there, but good enough for all the casual 3D games in the market. Check out some of the games to know more about P11 performance. Well, that's all for Lenovo Tab P11 gaming review. If you are interested, please use my referral link to buy one to support my effort. Don't forget to thumb up too. Thanks. I'm Jace. Glad to see you around. Peace.